Yo, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. I know the uploads have been slow as hell. Actually just no uploads at all for the past like 3 weeks, 4 weeks or something like that. But it's obviously been the holidays and everything like that, and actually I've been preparing something big, setting it up. I'm basically moving into a new office. Currently, I'm only 19, I'm trapping out of my mom's house, editing all these videos and stuff like that, but it's definitely time to actually get my own spot. So I'm moving over into an office, and I pretty much just thought I'd put together a little vlog showing up the office, moving all my stuff over. I've just been packing up, and now I'm waiting for my homie to come over with the car because I don't drive yet, and pretty much pick all my stuff up, drive me over to the office, and we're gonna set that stuff up. All right, yo, so you can't really see me at all because the light's bad as shit, but what's it called? Zach's here. So basically just went to pick up my stuff, and now we're just driving down to the actual office, but we gotta do another trip. All my shit's in the back. We couldn't fit the desk in there and the chair and shit like that, but hell yeah, you can't see me at all. Dodgy setup. Very dodgy setup indeed. You see that? Yeah, you can probably see. That's my desk. And I'm holding it so it doesn't smash through the back window. Repeat this. Office setup, nice and casual in the corner. Took a second, but it's done. And also we have to go back for a third trip. So we forgot those motherfucking little screws right there. You think it looks good?
It looks so good.
Yeah, it's fucking hell, man. I'm actually excited as fuck. Zach has left. Zach has gone home. It's now a couple hours later. I'm back at my office, but I have actually gone to get some dinner and stuff like that. And like I said, Zach has left, but my homie Aussie's coming over. This is still early stages. So currently, I'm just gonna get over here so you can kind of get as much idea for the room as you can. I want to get a couch right there. That's gonna be coming in the next week. I'll be maybe doing some updates. I'm not entirely sure. Tell me if you guys want more stuff, but I don't know. I got an office, man. I'm pretty excited. So there's loads of other offices down there. I've got number 9. Boom. Hell yeah. Looking good. So far, basic, but you're gonna see this turn into much more. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Lowe's more to come for sure.